Today's warm-up will put our non-dominant hand to the test. We're going to start with some simple grooves, and the idea with this is that we start with the dominant hand and then we mimic with the non-dominant hand, and we're just going to switch back and forth over and over and over again to get that non-dominant warmed up and to get the brain working. Alright, let's jump right in. Simple groove to start. Left, left, right, right, left, left. Ghost notes in between. Let's change it up a bit. One, two, dum, dum, da. Left, 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 left. Ding, slap, ding, ding, slap, ding, slap, ding, ding, slap. Nice. Ghost notes in between. Just to get used to those hands moving. Alright, let's change it up. See if you can follow along. Nice. If you don't get these at first, that's fine. Just keep trying, see if you can pick it up as we go. And if not, you can come back to this section of the video at any point. Changing it. Oops. More tacks. Alright, changing it. Bringing in the other hand now. Switching every single time. Now with the left. Yeah. for super duper uber challenge mode, put this up to 1.25 speed, 1.5, 1.75, 2 times speed in this video in the settings, and see if you can follow along then. Alright, have fun with that one, and I'll see you next time.